Streamer brain is a mental disorder that affects millions of individuals, millions of people around the world. Okay. Many studies have concluded that streamer brain symptoms Many studies have concluded that streamer brain symptoms appear and are many studies have concluded that streamer brain symptoms appear and are somehow. Once the button is pressed, the subject's heart rate will considerably increase. The body temperature will rise, and the streamer's heart rate. Oh, I talked about that already. The body temperature will rise, and the streamer will start. This part is particularly stressful. This part is particularly stressful, for it is a raced. After making sure. But by then, cold sweat and dizzy. What am I doing? With the constant anxiety provoked by fear of accidentally. With the constant anxiety provoked by fear. With the constant, meanwhile, trying their best to show their skill. And be as entertaining as possible. And be as entertaining as humanly possible. Perhaps the most notable form of streamer brain. Stop saying form. Perhaps the most notable symptom of streamer brain. Perhaps the most notable symptom of streamer brain is short-term memory loss. Perhaps the most notable form of Perhaps the most notable symptom of streamer brain is short-term memory loss. Perhaps the most notable symptom of streamer brain is short-term memory loss. Jesus Christ, that was hard. Meaning that the highest form of streamer brain is a streamer who can only create short memories based on the stream delay. You can learn more about streamer brain by watching any broadcaster on Twitch. You can learn more about streamer brain by watching any broadcaster on. Oh my god, they're here. They're here. Thank you. Okay. And share this video with your streamer friends because they too might suffer from streamer brain.